Hey mobile geeks, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to tap that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you're always in the loop when we drop new mobile tips, tricks, and quick hacks. Lately, I've been seeing this hack method all over social media. Supposedly, you can grab unlimited gems in Doomsday using nothing but your phone. No PC setup, no complicated tools, just a quick process. Naturally, I wanted to see if this trend actually works, so I ran a full test. Here's exactly how it went. The first thing the tool asks for player ID. You can locate it inside Doomsday profile or in the settings section. I copied mine ahead of time so I'd be ready for the next steps. Super simple. After that, I launched my mobile browser. I used Chrome, but any browser works fine, and went to the website that offers many hacks for popular games and apps. I searched for Doomsday and clicked the option promising unlimited gems. The page loaded quickly with no sketchy redirects or pop-ups, which honestly surprised me. Once I landed on the main page, I selected my platform, Android in my case, though iOS was also available, and pasted my player ID. The system started a quick connection sequence with some loading animations and syncing messages. Everything ran smoothly without any errors. Then it was time to choose how many resources I wanted to test with, so I selected a moderate amount just to see how the process behaved. The page displayed progress bars and status notifications, all looking pretty polished. Before completing everything, the site asked for a brief verification step, basically installing and opening a free app for a minute or so. If you don't know what to do, don't worry. There's a step-by-step guide on the website that will walk you through the entire process. I already finished it earlier, so let's not waste time and jump to the test results. I reopened Doomsday and checked my gems. The new amount was already there, updated instantly, no extra steps needed. I didn't expect it to run that smoothly, but that's how the test turned out. So in my experience, the method worked during the test. It was quick, didn't require any special setup, and everything was done on mobile. Just be sure to follow the steps closely and read any instructions carefully. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more honest tests like this. If you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I always check the comments section. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.